It's on video. Video. Video.
It's all right.
Punch him.
A little bit above the belt.
Yeah, they make fish.
Go.
So I'm back. Rolling?
Yeah, I'm rolling. Go. Go.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm videotaping. I'm videotaping this shit, man. Go.
No, don't say
Just
anything.
go. Just do it.
Just do it.
The best way is just to do it and get it over with.
Where? Back down. Right there. Handle it.
Yeah.
Now more. Back down. That one's gonna fuck up your jaw.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Back down.
Oh, that one.
I missed.
You got me pretty good in the chin, bro.
I missed. I went like this. Look.
Are you done? There's no more
You
hits?
got me pretty good in the chin, though.
No more hits?
Back in the chin.
That's it.
What does that mean? When you punch somebody, you can feel it.
That one? I don't know.
I'm just saying, like, see, you know.